Yes, we're boarding a plane. Let's hope the chick passes the growth test. Excellent. Chicky can go with you, Lucy. Now it's Dino's turn. Oh dear.
Too big. Take him to the luggage compartment. I brought a comfortable carrier for Dino.
Unfortunately, Dino is too large to sit with you, Leo.
No, he will feel cramped there.
The carrier is very convenient for pets.
It won't be for long. Dino will be fine. Lucy, please find your seat.
Meow.
Is Chicky buckled in? Oh my. No, Lucy, the plane is about to take off. You must take your seat.
Running around when plane is taking off is very dangerous. I'm sorry.
That's better. Let's avoid any more mishaps.
Don't worry about Dino. He'll be taken care of there.
Oh dear. Dino seems overheated.
Meow.
Captain, Dino needs your help. Wonderful. The cool breeze will help him feel better.
Meow.
Would Dino like a drink? It's a stroll for you, Dino. All right. Haha.
Don't worry. It's just turbulence.
Delicious food has arrived. A burger for Leo. And spaghetti for Lucy. Uh-oh, Chicky thinks they look like worms. Oops! Chicky, that's not funny. Oh dear, this is troublesome. No, be careful. Yikes, the dishes! Phew, Chicky saves the day. Lucy, ensure Chicky's buckled up again.
You can't play around and litter on the plane.
Wow, wiggly worm spaghetti, haha.
I'm sure Dino is doing very well now.
Meow.
Dino's having a great time, isn't he?
Meow.
Look, Leo, Dino's here. Although, he seems to have missed you, haha. It appears we're going on holiday, yippee.
I'm afraid of flying.
I'll help you. It's not scary.
Sit with Lucy. She'll take care of you. No, puppy. You must buckle up. If you don't, you might fall. Lucy, can you assist him? Now we're safe and comfortable. Off we go, up and away. What's troubling the puppy? Lucy, tell him about the safety rule.
Window blinds need to be opened during takeoff and landing. Am I right, Mommy? You are right, honey.
Someone's feeling hungry.
Don't worry. Everything you need is here. Am I right?
It's time for a delicious snack. Haha! The power of the puppy.
If you need something, just ask. What would you like to eat? More.
Enjoy your food. Oh no, what's happening? Ah, the puppy needs to go to the bathroom. Walk slowly, don't run. You'll need to wait. Someone's using it. Look!
If there is a red line on the door, then it's occupied. Am I right?
Of course.
It's green. Now you can go. Everyone is relaxing now. Yikes! We're heading into a storm.
I'm scared.
Don't be afraid, honey. It's just turbulence.
Stay calm. It will soon pass. Yeah, it's a clear sky again. Kids, look, we're landing. Did you have fun?
I won't be afraid of flying anymore. Thank you.
Haha, flying buddies forever. We're going through the airport X-ray security check. Lucky, please step out. The X-ray machine has the ability to detect everything. Oh no, Dad is in trouble now. Lucky, you should not have done that. It's not safe.
You can't hide in suitcases.
Let's give it another try. No more unexpected surprises. Everything has been checked and is in order. Now it's Mom's turn. What is concealed in Mom's suitcase? It requires a closer inspection. Haha, that was a bit amusing. Yes, we should always remove batteries from our gadgets before packing them. Let's go back through the scanner. What? Is that an octopus? Who put that inside? Haha, it's just Mom's purple dress. Is it all right now, security guard? It's your turn, Lucy. Put on your backpack. Lucy, that's a potted plant, not a backpack accessory.
Plants are not allowed.
Let's start over. What's inside this time? Let's take a look. It has a nice scent.
This is my perfume.
Do not take toxic substances on the plane.
Fingers crossed that it passes this time. Yeah, it successfully passed the security check. Come on, Leo. Place your suitcase on the conveyor belt. Leo, are those snacks? What exactly did you pack in there?
You can't take junk food and a lot of liquid with you.
They need to be disposed of in the trash can. Leo, you packed a whole candy store. Ouch! No way. A tent? I hope you also packed your clothes. Let's go through the X-ray machine to have a look. Yeah, we all passed through the scanner without any issues. Leo, come on. Phew, what an exciting experience at the X-ray security checkpoint. Hey, candy store! Leo wants to come too. Please, we really enjoy candy. Yay, let's go. Yes, Leo, the escalator is really high. Step on carefully. Oops, you're doing the splits.
Leo, the escalator is always moving.
Grab Dad's hand and step on together. How do you feel, Leo? Haha, like floating on clouds. Wow, what's going on?
Meow.
Dad's got you, you're safe.
When using the escalator, always hold the handrail.
Hold on tight, Leo. What's wrong? Why are you scared? Ah, you're nearly at the top.
Now you should just step forward.
Come on, Leo. You can do it. Hooray! Great job! You rode the escalator. Do you also want to go to the candy store, Lucy? We'll wait for you.
Daddy! Leo!
Lucy, no. Wow!
Lucy, never run on the escalator.
What happened, Lucy? Oh no, you dropped your chocolate bar. Don't get too close to the steps. Lucy, stop. It's not safe.
Lucy, be careful. You can get stuck.
If something gets stuck on the escalator, you shouldn't try to remove it. Oh no, you might hurt yourself.
I will always be careful on the escalator.
It's candy time. Wait for me.
Huh? Meow. Yeah. I've lost two little kids. Yeah, we will find them. Yeah, ring. Hey, hey, hey. Don't move! You're under arrest! Do not play in the mall without parents. If you get lost, always contact the police officers. Meow, meow.
Thank you, officer.
Oh, Lucky, the butterfly wants to play. What's happening, Leo? No!
Don't do it! It's dangerous!
Be careful, kids! Stop that! Leave them alone! Hold on tight, kids! Leo, no. Well done. Mom's working hard. No, Lucky, it's dangerous. Yikes, it's falling. Mom, help!
No! Iron is not a toy. You can get burned.
Oh no, we need to stop the iron. Phew, well done, Mom. Stay away from dangerous things, Lucky. No, the socket isn't safe. Lucy, hurry!
No! It's very dangerous for babies.
Yikes, it's trying to shock us. What can we do? Yes, Lucy, plug it in. Haha, no more shocks from you. Be careful now, Lucky, no touching. Oh no, scissors aren't toys. Dad, stop him. Hurry.
Scissors are very sharp and can hurt you.
Go away, scissors, we don't want to play. Phew, just in time. There are lots of dangerous things around the house. Stay away, stay safe.
And the dinosaurs lived happily ever after.
Dreaming of dinosaurs. Hey, Leo, what's happening? Meet the Brontosaurus who loves bananas. But Lucy, Leo's hungry. How can we get those bananas? Looks like Lucy has a solution in mind. Whoops! All she's got are banana-shaped stars. Do you think the Brontosaurus will lend a hand? He's giving Leo a boost. Oh dear, now Leo's stuck in branches. Oh no, he might fall! But Lucy will come to his rescue. Oh wow, a friendly pterodactyl. Doesn't he seem pleasant? Yikes, not another mishap. Ooh, you did it! But now Leo's off for a flying lesson. Zooming high into the sky. My Lucy, you're way up there. No! It's a T-Rex. Run! Lucy is in danger. Leo! Quickly! The scary T-Rex is closing in on her. Where's Lucy? Uh-oh, his teeth are huge and sharp. Yet even he yearns for affection. Go fetch, T-Rex. What a charming dinosaur daydream. Oh no, a monster! Ha! Lucy, you got us!
It's time to sleep. Oh, meow.
Sleep well, kids. Yikes! What's that sound? Quick, run! There's a monster outside! Look, Lucy, at the window. But Lucy, I saw it too. No, it's back.
What happened, kids?
Mom, there's a monster outside. Huh, it's just a tree branch.
Oh. Monsters only live in our imagination.
Mom's right, monsters aren't real. Oh, what's that peculiar sound? Oh no! There's a monster under Leo's bed.
Kitty, kitty, boo.
Quick, Lucy, get Mom. Yikes! The monster is devouring all the food. Huh, Mom? It's Mommy, not a monster.
What happened?
There is a monster under the Leo's bed.
Oh.
Can you check, please, Mom? Ah, it's simply Leo's toy car.
There are no monsters here.
Thanks, Mom. Good night, kids. Sleep tight. Don't be afraid. We know there are no monsters. The wind has blown the window open.
Don't be afraid. It's just a thunderstorm. It will protect you at night and help you to fall asleep.
Yes, it's also so adorable. Monsters exist only in our imagination.
Meow.
Sweet dreams. Yeah, Minecraft world, here we come. Lucy has a huge collection of blocks. But Leo doesn't have many. Just the right blocks for building a castle. What are you planning to build, Leo? What about the roof of the castle? Something went wrong. Oops. Look, kids, a treasure chest. No fighting, let's open it together. Let's see what's inside. Oh, what's that? It looks like a bag. Oh, another treasure chest. And it contains a magic wand. Princess Lucy has arrived. What is it, Leo? Yay! A diamond sword! Lucy, your castle looks beautiful. Leo, be careful. That's not an axe. Watch out. Ooh, that was a close call. Lucy, it's not nice to laugh at others. You've built an amazing rainbow kingdom. Wow. Leo, do you like it? Let's go inside the castle. Are you coming in too, Leo? No, don't take blocks from Lucy. Leo, that's not playing nicely. Oh no. Will Lucy notice that they're missing? Ah, it looks like she noticed. Watch out, Leo. Lucy is really angry. I didn't think you liked pink, Leo. Ah, he's going to paint the blocks. Does he have a plan? No way, it's a TNT blocks. Lucy, please change them back. Leo, run! Oops, it's too late. Boom, and everything is gone. Oh, Leo, don't cry. Lucy, look. He's really upset. Huh? What's the matter? It's dark. Yikes, the zombies are out. Use your wand and zap them. I don't think flowers will stop them. They're attacking the castle. Hold on, Lucy. Oh, no. Lucy landed right near the zombies. Leo! We have to rescue Lucy. Grab your sword. And activate it. It's time to rescue her. Go get them, Leo. Uh-oh, run! Yikes, they're chasing you. Show them what you've got, Leo. I bet they're scared now. What? Haha, now who's laughing, zombies? You did it, Leo. Stop right there, ugly zombie. Ah, the sword is too heavy. Put Lucy down now. Quick, Leo, pull. Haha, slam dunk. Yay, they're zapped. Well done, Leo. Together again. A black wand, wow. It's a perfect palace for the two of them. Let's go inside and play. No more zombies. Ew, go away. Yay, we're the winners.
Calm down, kids. We have to fix it before Mom comes back.
garbage down the toilet. Now you know Daddy shouldn't flush garbage down the toilet.
No?
Leo, those binoculars are pretty cool. Oh my goodness! Look, there's an alien! Lucy, can you see it too? Oh no, the alien has taken Lucky. Quick, they're hiding in the bushes. Huh, where did they go? Over there!
We must save Lucky!
Why isn't Lucky feeling scared? Let's hope our plan works. Get ready, kids. Oh dear, it's broken. How about marbles? Ah, now I understand what you're thinking. Haha, here they come. What? An acrobatic alien? Come on, kids. We can't let Lucky get lost. Oh no, the marbles are causing confusion. Why are you digging? How does it help? The alien falls into the hole and Lucky is saved. No, look over there. Run! Kids, be careful. Go away, you gross green alien. Phew, Dad is just playing dress up.
Aliens don't exist.
It's time for an alien adventure. Stop him! He's trying to escape in the UFO.
Alien has taken our baby!
Use the water blast. After him!